So guys, right now nandito tayo sa Huawei and check lang natin itong bagong Huawei MatePad Pro 12.12. No? So tingnan natin kung ano mga inclusion sa package niya. So ito yung inclusion niya. Meron siyang device, yung kanyang keyboard, WPS Office, inclusion, pen, Fit 3 kasama, tsaka yung Bluetooth mouse niya. And this is how it looks like. Maganda yung kanyang keyboard, manipis this time around. Yeah. Kita niyo. Yung mga ibang generation medyo mas makapal. And based sa akin type experience, malambot siya, walang ingay. And yung kanyang screen is matte finish, anti-glare. And here's your pen. So, not sure kung anong generation na siya, na third gen. Okay, so this is how it looks like. This is the sides. And on the other side, it's quite thin. I'd say na malaki ang kanyang screen. And yung bezels niya is thin. So, yan, manipis naman ng bezels. And uniform naman siya. Okay. So, hindi mas makapal yung gilid. Symmetrical siya, in short. Okay. So, if you're checking kayo ng camera, yan. Tingnan natin yung selfie niya, no? Okay naman, matino naman, based on sa nakikita ko dito. And hopefully to get one for review pretty soon. And so, ang pinakagusto ko lang dito sa kanya is yung keyboard niya. I think it's better than ibang mga generation niya. And it's Neuralink technology na. So, hindi na siya Bluetooth. Hindi siya basta-basta na-disrupt. So, yeah, stay tuned kayo guys for full review natin nito. Pretty soon, kung makairam tayo, bibigyan ko sa inyo yung aking conclusion dito sa device na ito. Ayan, so maganda rin kayo ng case. So, white. Yeah, so that's it.